Hello everyone, after Huawei P60 series success, Huawei now planning to launch Huawei P70 series very soon in China, and this is the first look how the phone look like. And as you can see that the phone come with a very big camera bump, and the recent leak also confirm that the phone come with a 6.7-inch 1.5K resolution OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. And Huawei also launched new AI feature with the Huawei P70 series like Magic Translator Chinese, photo and video editing, and remove the object. And the smartphone comes with Kirin 9010 SoC with LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1TB storage. And the phone also comes with a huge 5000 mAh battery with a fast charger. And in the camera department, the phone also comes with a triple camera setup in the back. The smartphone comes with a 50 megapixel main sensor which OB50H has a main camera, and also comes with the ultra wide and also periscope zoom lens with 100x. And the phone also comes with the IP68 rating in display fingerprint scanner and studio speaker too. And the Huawei P70 family will be come out after 2 months. Let me know in the comment section below your thought about the Huawei P70 family. That's for today, and make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching, and I'll be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.